Hello, dear learners. Welcome to the Faculty Development Program organized by Government Holkar Science College, Indore. We welcome you all for the Faculty Development Program on Teaching, Learning through Information and Communication Technology. I, Dr. Meenakshi Rathi, the Assistant Professor in the Commerce Department, Government Adarsh College, Harda, will give you an insight on insert learning. It is the topic which is very much needed in today's scenario of this online teaching and learning. And here goes the insert learning. हम इस पे जाएंगे insertlearning.com. Then, as we have already seen that, dear learners, it is it is a fantastic web tool with the help of which we can, convert a simple lesson for the students. It could be more interactive. It's all based on your creativity. So, you just need to type in the search box, Google के search box में जाके, you just need to type the in the term insert learning, and you just need to click on the first link which appears on the page. The first link which appears on the page is the insertlearning.com. You just need to click on this. Then once you'll click on this link, it will directly take you to the insert learning web page like this. It will ask you for आप इसको अपने सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल करने के लिए there are two ways. First is you can add this particular thing as the Chrome extension, or either you can log in. तो इसको यूज करने के दो तरीके हैं dear learners. या तो आप log in करें, तो login आप करेंगे तो it will ask for certain details, or maybe you can log in through your again the Google account. But the better option is to add this particular insert learning as a Chrome extension, because it will be used by you very frequently. So it will be better if you will add this particular thing as Chrome extension. Then the next is okay, I just wanted to tell this particular thing, that's Chrome. What exactly is the Chrome extension? The extensions are the small software, so the program that customize the browsing experience, and you can use those extensions. They are the tailor-made extensions. You can use them as per your preferences, as per your requirements, and they are very wonderful tools for our teaching learning. Then this is how the when you will go to the page, it will look like that. It will show a pop-up window like this. You need to add to the Chrome extension. You just need to press this particular button. Then once you will press on this add to Chrome, it will be there, and they'll ask for sign up with Google. You can sign up with Google, or maybe you can sign up with your Microsoft account. So just it's better to sign up with Google, because as I've already told you, you need to have the Google account for that, and similarly your students also need to have Google account for the same. Then once you will click on this blue button, it will ask for whether you like to log in as a student or as a teacher. मतलब you need to choose your role. आपको अपना role choose करना है कि आप student हो या teacher हो. So definitely we as in teachers would like to click on this particular blue button. So click on this blue button to add as a teacher. So once you will click on the button, then it will ask for to name your class. आप किसी भी नाम से अपने क्लास फॉर्मुलेट कर सकते हो, साइंस क्लास, और मे बी बायोलॉजी क्लास, और मे बी मैथमेटिक्स, और मे बी कॉमर्स. इट्स अप टू यू, जैसे आप क्लास ले रहे हो. तो यू नीड टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द क्लास ओवर हियर, और फिर उसके बाद हम इसमें ब्लू बटन में जाएंगे, एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू क्रिएट द क्लास. So this is how you will sign up का option. Then फिर आपने role choose किया अपना as a teacher, then आपने अपना first class इसमें create किया. Then once you have created your class, it will show you these particular this is basically the dashboard of insert learning. In the dashboard of insert learning you will find lessons, you will find grades, जिससे आप अपने students को grades दे सकते हैं. यहाँ से आप lessons से आप lessons create कर सकते हैं students के लिए, यहाँ grades दे सकते हैं. तीसरा, आप अपनी classes देख सकते हैं. suppose आप एक बार में 4 क्लासेस हैं आपके पास. एक साइंस का क्लास है, एक आईसीटी का क्लास है, प्रोबेबली एक फिजिक्स का क्लास है, और मे बी एक बायोलॉजी का क्लास. सपोज अगर आपके पास ऐसे कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं तो यू कैन हैव 4 क्लासेस. तो सिमिलरली फॉर ईच क्लास यू विल बी हैविंग डिफरेंट लेसन्स एंड डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स टू क्रिएट योर लेसन्स. एंड ये एक पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी है जिसकी बात हम आपके साथ करेंगे जब हम हैंड्स ऑन सेशन में आएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द रिसोर्स. रिसोर्स इज बेसिकली the pool of all the sources which is available throughout the globe, और इन रिसोर्स को यूज करके, इस्तेमाल करके आप अपने कंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड डेफिनेटली दीज रिसोर्सेज आर वेरी यूजफुल. यू कैन क्रिएट योर लेसन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज रिसोर्सेज. तो आपको सबसे पहला जो है वो लेसन क्रिएट करना है. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट अ वेब पेज. सेलेक्ट अ वेब पेज का मतलब ये है कि सपोज आपको अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ फोटोसिंथेसिस का कोई चैप्टर क्रिएट करना है, तो यू हैव टू गो टू विकी Google, you have to go to the page of Wikipedia, you have to type there as photosynthesis, और एक वेब पेज, प्लेन एक वेब पेज जो है वो आपको अपने साथ ऑनलाइन एक वेब पेज है वो क्रिएट करना है, अपने पास रखना है. दैट इज द प्री कंडीशन. यू नीड टू हैव द वेब पेज along with you. Then you can add questions, you can highlight the things and whatever you wanted to do. Then you can send those lessons to the students. So this is how you create the lesson. Then next is, this is my class which I have created it for you. So this is the demo class, and in the demo class you can even see this is the class code जो कि आप कॉपी करके अपने स्टूडेंट्स को व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू या मेल्स के थ्रू, या इवन यू कैन सेंड दिस कोड थ्रू इनटू देयर गूगल क्लासरूम आल्सो. Here you can see there are 0 lessons. अभी कोई मैंने lessons नहीं डाले हैं उसमें. There are no students. I am the only one teacher, so it is showing as one teacher here. These 3 dots are for more options. Okay. We'll be discussing everything. Don't worry. We'll be discussing everything. बस मैं अभी आपको मैं एक डेमो दे रही हूँ जिसमें कि आपको एटलीस्ट स्टेप्स के बारे में आइडिया हो. ओके. So insert learning toolbar जो हमने देखा, it consists of many features. First is the assign button is there with which you can assign the material, you can assign your lessons to the students. Next is you can highlight the text. अगर आपको कोई कंटेंट जो है वो हाईलाइट करना है, स्टूडेंट्स को ये समझाना है कि दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज नॉट वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, दिस इज लीस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, तो मे बी यू कैन हाईलाइट द टेक्स्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. At times you can highlight the text or maybe the words which you can use to enhance the vocabulary of the students even. Then you can add sticky notes to the in the content, जिससे कि आप वहां पे कोई YouTube का कोई वीडियो ऐड करना है, कोई ऑडियो ऐड करना है, आपका खुद का इवन आप वीडियो बना के वहां स्टिकी नोट्स के थ्रू ऐड कर सकते हैं. Next is you can add questions to the content, you can have discussion forums, you can have dashboards, you can have feedback buttons for the students as well. All the features of this particular insert learning allows you to manipulate, or maybe you can, it allows you to change the, a plain online page into an interactive lesson. This is basically, if you have those lessons, very interactive lessons, and if you assign those lessons to the students, you can assign those lessons even to the teachers also to get their feedbacks, whether that whether the lesson you have created is interesting or not. Maybe you can collaborate with the teachers, they can add up a few more things to your lesson, and it can enhance the engagement level of the for the students as well. So teachers are also able to view the students' annotations. That means whatever work you will assign to the students, students can annotate in that particular work. They can give their views, and you can, view their own annotations, and you can their answers, and whatever interactions are being done by the students in the discussion, on the discussion forum also. You can see all those things, and even you can give your comments also. So it's a two-way process, okay? So it will enhance the engagement level of your students. Then the learning objectives for the students is, first of all, the precondition. This is first point, is the precondition that students need to this students need to have this Google Chrome extension, which is termed as e-insert learning, and they'll be, they'll be able to complete the lesson assigned to them by the teachers. Once the teacher assign them the lesson, तो वो students जो है वो उस lesson को complete करके पढ़ के, अगर teacher ने बताया कि ऊपर के दो लाइन जो है वो बहुत important है, they need to learn those things by heart, so definitely they'll do the things accordingly. If teachers have asked them any questions, they can answer those questions then and there. So that means they can complete the lesson which is assigned to them by the teachers. Then they can create their own interactive lessons as well, because it's a kind of brainstorming for them. Or if you ask them to add up their comments, or maybe if you can ask them to give their views, so it helps to build their own ways to create more lessons for the for the students. They'll be able to learn better and more relevant. Then next is, they'll be able to learn and understand new vocabulary. They'll be able to understand, they'll be able to have new vocabulary if you will highlight those vocabulary. Then they'll be able to retain the concepts, because you will give them the concepts in the form of a lesson, and lesson that too very interactive one, with all audios, videos, pictures and everything. So it helps the students to retain all the concepts well. Then thank you so much. Stay safe, keep learning.